Well, hello lipstick lovers, this is Victoria Lowe, and of course another video means another color. Today's color is going to be part 2 of my nude lipstick series, and it goes by the name of Del Mar. This is a beautiful nude with purple undertones, and I absolutely love it. First things first, we're going to be using our lipstick base, our Very Veelo lipstick base. It can be purchased at www.veryveelobeauty.com. I also have a video on showing you guys how to make this lipstick base. Let's get into coloring our lipstick. The first thing we're using is a 1/4 teaspoon of the red number 33 Lake dye. Next, we're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of the soft brown Oxide. And third, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of white titanium oxide. And guys, of course, you want to mix this very well. Now, when we begin to mix, what you're going to see is you're going to see that the oils are going to start to melt on their own, which is why I love the spatula that I use. It kind of makes it easier for me to mash and mix. So we're going to mash and mix. That's the goal, and you'll instantly see the consistency change from the base, the clumps of the base, to a nice, smooth, glossy consistency. Like I said in my other video, if we want to make it matte, we would add 1/2 teaspoon of a isododecane, but because we're making it glossy and satin, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of the castor oil. And because we added the oil, which took away some of the color, let's put the color back in, and we're going back in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the red, the 33 Lake dye. You guys, I just want to let you know that I purchased all of my glass bowls, all of my ingredient bowls, and all of my condiment containers, which is what I hold the oils in, from the Dollar Tree. Alright, you guys, let's check our progress. Let's go ahead and go in with a swatch. And oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's like an amazing soft nude with mauve undertones, purple undertones. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. As I prepare to bottle, I'm going to go ahead and start loading my syringe from the back with the product. With my spatula, I'm just loading it in. Grab your bottle and begin to fill, and when you fill, make sure that you leave about a centimeter space at the top so that you can be able to put your stopper in as well as your wand. And just like that, lipstick lovers, we have made our own lipstick again, but this time nude with purple undertones. This lipstick is so bomb, it's so lit, it's so stunning. I absolutely love it, and I had equally as much fun making it for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching this awesome tutorial. You guys, I appreciate you more than words can say. I also want to thank you guys for all of your support. It has been incredible and I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at very_Veelo. So until next time, lipstick creators, stay blessed. For full recipes like this one, be sure to visit my website at www.veryveelobeauty.com. You can get full recipes to all your favorite lipsticks, as well as shop your favorite lipsticks and lipstick base. Thank you guys.